This is what we cooked breakfast on this morning. This was my outdoor griddle. And this is our new cooking griddle center. Now, I would not have bought this if I didn't get such a good deal. Yes, I was at Walmart, and yes, it was marked down 60% off. I guess the time to buy griddles and grills is in August at Walmart. So now it's time to set it up and see what it's like. Well, here is the new propane grill, all assembled. So essentially, what this surface is a big frying pan, and you can do all sorts of things on it, and it's at the proper height too. Again, I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't get such a good deal that I did, and I'm going to go through the process of seasoning this right now. I got to remove this label, but we might use it tonight or tomorrow. Anyway, that's it.